What's up guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can purchase Dogecoin, Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrency on Robinhood. But before we get started, if you like and appreciate these quick video updates, be sure that you go on and obliterate that like button. And if you're looking for ways that you can save, make money, and all things related to your finances, be sure that you hit that subscribe button right there until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. So let's go on and get right to the video. So the first thing that you want to do is grab your phone and go ahead and open up the Robinhood app. So I'm opening up my Robinhood app right now, and as you can see that I do have some cryptocurrency in here, and in order to purchase Dogecoin, I'm just going to click on the Dogecoin. As you can see here, that Dogecoin is performing pretty well right now. So I'm just going to hit buy. And as you can see, I have $5.02 in buying power. So up at the top where the amount, just say if I wanted to drop in, just say $4. So I'm going to type 4. I'm going to review my purchase and swipe up. And now the order is sending. And from there, so as you can see, I just purchased 55 shares of Dogecoin. That's all to it, how you can purchase Dogecoin, Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrency. I am making a documentary video on my purchase of Dogecoin and how it's performing over the years. So if you want to go on that journey with me, and you can even join that journey with me, go ahead and sign up with Robinhood if you already don't have it by clicking on the link down below. You can follow that journey by clicking the top video right over there. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and I will see you in the next video.